What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ronda back with another video, and in today's video is going to be a little short because I just wanted to come on here and show you all what I got in my box.
Jingle bell,
This is my first time shopping with this website. Shein. Shein. I don't know. S-H-E-I-N. That's the name of the website. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so don't judge me if I'm pronouncing it the wrong way. My bad, y'all. Anyway, this is my first time ordering from this website, and my package finally came in the mail a couple of days ago. I already opened it, so yeah, you already see the little rip. So are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Yep, you guessed it. Shoes. And that came like that. But my package wasn't damaged, so. Anyway, y'all, I ordered me some shoes. My sister best friend actually turned me on to this website, and I was kind of skeptical. Y'all know how some of these websites are, and you're like, but I took the chances. I saw so much cute stuff on that website that I was like, let me go ahead and order one item. And I was going to see how long it took for it to get here and make sure it's the right size, because they go by European sizes. And Bentley, look like you're chewing on a penny. What? Anyway, their sizes come in like European sizes and other different type of sizes that I don't know about. So I have to actually use the size chart. And I ordered me some shoes. So I actually had to use a size chart to see what European size I wear. And I did the European 40. I tried the shoes on. I could have went up to a 41. Didn't have a 41 in this style. I'm still going to keep them. I can still style these shoes, put them on, take a few cute photos. I can wear them out, but make sure I'm not walking for a long time because my feet are literally in it. Like it fits, but it's like, it fits like this. Y'all see that little bit of room between my hand, my fingers and my hand? That's where my feet is. I would want it to be, you know, a little bit of room so I can do all this. But it's like, I'm like, okay, bitch, we ain't doing that much walking today. So yeah, I did a European 40. Again, I just know moving forward I need to do a European 41 and I'll be good to go. But y'all wanna see my shoes? So they came in this packaging, well, in the box of course, but it came in these little bags. And y'all, these are just the cutest little things. These are so freaking cute. Like, these are platformed style sneakers. I'm not sure exactly what this is. I'm gonna do my research to make sure I'm not walking around in those shoes that say some shit that I ain't got a business saying. And Ronda B got it on her feet. I ain't about to be caught up like that. So I'm gonna do my research and find exactly what it said on the back of this. It may not say nothing. It may just be some words smushed together, but this is the back, y'all. This is silver, and it's like a smooth metallic style look, I guess. But anyway, the rest of the shoe is red, black, and white. Y'all can't tell me y'all ain't feeling this shoe. Like, come on. These little straps right here. Like, these are just so freaking cute, y'all. I have so many outfit ideas that's going through my head that I cannot wait to put together. Because as y'all should know so far by following Ronda B on IG or whatever, I'm more of a 90s vintage screen tee type girl. So I love putting vintage looks together and bringing them out. Instead of trying to keep it with this generation, I'm going back into my time, and yeah. So I cannot wait to rock these in a few of my outfit ideas that I have in mind. But give me a thumbs up if y'all are feeling these. And I will see if I can link the exact styling of this shoe down below in the description box. But if not, y'all just go over to Shein, SHEIN. Go on that website, click shoes, go to sneakers, and all the platform style sneakers will appear. They come in so many different colors, so many different styles. And use that shoe size chart, because again, I didn't know what my European size was, so I used that, and it came up between European 40, European 41, and I thought 41 was going to be like too big, so that's why I went with 40, and yeah, I should have went with 41. So I'm definitely going to order some more shoes, y'all. I already got some shoes sitting right in my cart, and I keep getting alerts through my phone. They're constantly always having flash sales and having all type of just percentages off sales. So if y'all have not already signed up on the website, man, do it. I'm telling you, the website is legit. But anyway, I just want to come over here and show y'all my cute shoe. Let me know if y'all like it. Comment down below what y'all think of this shoe, and also comment down below what type of styling you think I can do with this shoe. Now let me show both of them so y'all won't think I just ordered one shoe. And y'all got a new shoe smell. New shoe, who this? But yeah, so again, if you love my shoes, give me a thumbs up, and also if you have not already subscribed to my channel, click that red button right there. And again, go on that website, order y'all some shoes, tag Ronda B, and tell everybody that I'm putting y'all up on some shit if y'all haven't already known about that website. And thank you for watching my video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Peace.